Miss a girl take off the jazz. This is no play thing when they come bout ya. She said bring the money come. Then they think you back just come touch me for fun.
Yo, it's your boy DJ Chaddy and I'm back again. People, wagwan. I hope everybody good. I hope everybody alright. If at the first time you check out the Chaddy TV, don't hesitate to hit the subscribe button and turn on post notifications so anytime I upload videos like these, you definitely are gonna be the first to know.
Miss a girl take off the jazz. This is no play thing when they come bout ya. She said bring the money come. Then they think you back just come touch me for fun.
So people, in this review we have so much to talk about. Me never even know if we start. Bounty Killa finally responded to Ishawna. People, stay tuned to that. Jahshii addressed the whole situation between him, INTENCE and Silk Boss. And me are telling the people, Jahshii have a lot to say. Jahshii even address INTENCE as a fish.
Yeah, me not rate you the personality. You see me dog, me rate high water. The man they just look all. You see me dog, no brother. Yeah, dog, the man they fish out, brother.
Miss a girl take off the jazz. This is no play thing when they come bout ya. She said bring the money come. Then they think you back just come touch me for fun.
People, stay tuned for this review. We are going to talk about that and more topics. But before we really go into the review, we want to highlight the artist here. Goes by the name King Ta'at. And me are telling the people, him have a new song when him Bring the Money Come. And it's a going good. More on to hold on. Look in the comment section or in the description for the link. Go over and page and make him know say a Chaddy TV send it over there. Alright?
Walk me and walk it, she a ball out loud. Say me gone too deep, it get throat. She a ball like a goat, beat skin with me rope. Me say girl take off the jazz. This is no play thing when me come bout ya.
Yeah, Chaddy Marie, I'm your biggest fan.
What a vibes! Chaddy TV. For all the vlogs and recent update, mailing Chaddy Marie. Bototom, Bush, Yaksta said that.
So people, Bounty Killa address Ishawna. Not the way a lot of people think Bounty Killa would address Ishawna, you know what I mean, including myself, because I feel like say Bounty Killa would have go up on some fest international night too and just diss up Ishawna straight out. But I guess Bounty Killa kind of more mature now and him in a them foolish that like him would have in a back then. So Bounty Killa reposts this person on his Instagram. Is a person where I defend him. I'm going to play the video. But before we play the video, we are going to read the caption first. Zin, listen what Bounty Killa caption it and say, we Jamaicans like to take bad things and make jokes. But when bad things happen, do we find it funny? Thanks to growth and maturity, so at this age, I only act and not react. Jamaicans, y'all say how we rate the general for his contribution to the poor and the development of other artists, etc. Then y'all sat there laughing how a little fly body, pissy tail, dancehall mattress, which style me right there at Jamaica, who claim them love and rate me. That's why I had nothing to say. I leave y'all to God and time away with my ignorance and welcome my intellectual. Just watch the style ya. Desperation as one destination, downward spiral. I'm not telling a lie still. We definitely see growth from Bounty Killa. This is not the Bounty Killa what we used to. The Bounty Killa what me used to. Would have forward out and say, hey, big ray, suck ray, girl. How we are style? Go suck out the wall of your mama them. Ray. Hey, me rise the hammer. Yo, yellow. You can't diss the killer. You can't diss the general. At the Bounty Killa them used to. But I guess with age come maturity, that the Killa say. And people, that's the caption for this video I'm about to play right now.
Now there's a video circulating with Ishawna's performance at the 2022 staging of Reggae Sumfest. And I say, you're gonna hear the negative ones run along with it and cheer her along. Not realizing that there's a thin line between entertainment and disrespect and provocation. Everyone knows what Bounty Killa stands for. Alright? And Ishawna is allowed to exercise her art, but not while provoking people and creating problems. If you're seeking attention, what you should have done was get a picture of one of the 15 artists, 9 producers and 25 selectors that you have been with. Why provoke a man who you know is against the standards that you stand for? So that's not entertainment to me. That's called provocation. Someone seeking problem or someone seeking attention. That is not entertainment. And then when Bounty Killa react now, he's gonna be the cross and angry one, right? And all the negative people gonna run with this now because yes, it's something that entertains the negative. But again, there's a thin line between entertainment and provocation. Ishawna, expose one of the men that has given you equal rights. Do not provoke someone who did not provoke you.
People, let me know what you think about that video in the comment section. Now on to the anticipated topic where I know everybody and the mother wait for that Jahshii argument here. So people, Jahshii did a interview, I can say is a telephone interview with the vlogger Terror Dan. In that interview, me not tell a lie, Jahshii talk a lot of facts. Yo, big man level. Memories with you know. In that interview there, me look upon Jahshii different as an artist right now. For one, me look upon Jahshii as a young artist, but yet a very mature and sensible artist. Jahshii attack with sense. People, Jahshii attack a bag of things with sense. I wanna know say, and me first it forward out and say, yo, Jahshii move like popcorn and Jahshii move like that. And even though Jahshii not address those statements directly, him give you a better idea why him a move so. Everything what go on between him and Silk. You see me? The little rare we are going on the internet between him and INTENCE. Make me clear up something what me say in the previous review. What me just want to clear up. Alright? So in the previous review, I said that Jahshii box down INTENCE. People, me just want to clear up that. Jahshii Amari did not say Jahshii box down INTENCE. Him said Jahshii entourage and INTENCE entourage was in a brawl. Box down one, him said Jahshii box one of them, but when him refer to one of them is not necessarily INTENCE, but a entourage member. Me just want to make that clear. So in this interview, Jahshii spoke about skeng popping Molly. I guess we can say Jahshii confirming that skeng pop Molly. People, listen closely.
Yeah, but remember say man skeng do collab bro.
But them man they wear all them pants and brother skeng and me you skeng pop Molly, me no pop Molly. So you can't say skeng and me, brother. As me I say, you can't say what skeng do and me doing that.
Jahshii went on by saying him not afraid for clash anybody. Him not really do not tune for tune clash like on the internet, or him not really do it now, cause now is not the time for clash. You know say a summer now. And the bookings them up for Jahshii, while Silk Boss and the other hand probably not get no bookings, and that's why I'm have to call Jahshii name.
Artists just drop them song there, bro. A summer now, man, say I find tune to the girl them to go tour the world, bro. I find my type of tune them. You know what I say, bro? A summer, I don't have time for that. Booking to Dream Weekend, what I go do? Go for Dream Weekend, go sing clash tune. Or go for some fest, go sing clash tune. No, bro, now we are get bookings and everything there, so we have the crowd to go sing them tune there too.
Jahshii even sent out a stern warning, say him no business at all. I coulda INTENCE, I coulda Silk Boss, him woulda kill everybody like how Merciless used to do it back in the days.
We are gonna make every day them booking to sing, bro. Any amount of money, you know, and then run up and sing. All INTENCE them run up and sing to our robot. Everybody has sting, man. It's your Merciless deal with Killa and Ninja Man.
Then Jahshii went on by saying INTENCE have low self-esteem. And I say right now, he would even do a tune with INTENCE because INTENCE them no smoke weed. So The meds were intense them all are some craving here meds, not even high grade meds. Me not tell a lie, him deal with intense away. People, leave it in the comment section and tell me what you think about what Jahshii is saying. Do you agree or do you disagree?
Not lyrical, remember saying intense them have low self-esteem in a bro, so see them confidence to hype and stage. So them go on stage first thing from their mind and me bro, you see me I say?
Yeah.
But me accept now bro, different than a parts and that bro, we didn't tell them now bro. When they talk about the new era, you have to talk about Sting and Jahshii dog. As a man, we are lead out, you see me? I'm not saying things, him get them time with Skillibeng, them and Skillibeng just last, the whole of them in the bad bro. I mean, you go on the stage after Intense.
Yo.
You know, understand saying Intense,
No, I understand what you're saying.
We.
No, I understand what you're saying now.
I remember saying Intense them bus before we, you know, and we are run up after them, you know, and get more rising than them, you know. Then you even smoke weed, bro, straight craving, you know. Then you then all righteous meds, dog. Then you then meditation, you see, dog.
Yeah.
Yeah, me not rate the personality. You see me, dog? Me rate high water personality. High water, me would collaborate now. But Intense them, dog. Not because I went say already, bro. But personally, dog. No, bro. Them man, dog. Them man, they just look all. You see me, dog? No, bro. Yeah, dog. Them man, they look fish out, bro.
Nah, tell a lie still. Those are some very, very strong comments. Me definitely await upon intense response. Me don't know if I'm gonna put it in a song or if I'm gonna go up on the internet go diss him. And people, do remember you can watch a previous video where I actually address this Sumfest situation. Me do a review about that, so you can just go and go watch it at the last review I me do. Alright, people, after that, he went on by saying, Silk Boss, them fall off. Tentic, them fall off. And outer, who we boss, in another little pop there, you know, between him and Silk and Tentic, in another little pop there. Must say him and Skeng a lead out right now.
Silk fall off more than him to fall off, you know, bro. Fall off from at that time, you know. Maybe 450 them is where them are still, you know, bro. You see me, bro, but the whole of them time, they may talk about and the whole of this. I just me and Skeng surpass everybody right this way in another group. They want me to call out, Tentic everybody, you understand?
Yeah.
Yeah,
You know, drop the banner, you know, drop the banner.
Just fall off. Silk Boss is a man who fall right off. Lose everything. Intense them have to go forward from the stage as still. You know what I'm saying?
To prove themselves.
Yeah, then up on stage, brother, you prove yourself on stage. You don't know that in a dance hall already.
Yeah, man, I know that.
You see me, dog? Some vibe cartel have no father days, brother. Believe me, no, man. Up on stage, you know this thing happen, man. You see me? And right, October, November, there's a class song start, man. You see me?
Yeah.
Yeah,
If you want a real clash, you have to do that way there.
Yeah. Class song no go summertime, my father. Oh, class song for go summertime. But you study music and dance music, you know. Yeah, Clash can never go summertime. And that's why the young artists and nowadays dog time mash up the whole history and the whole legacy of dance music. You understand?
Yeah.
So all you are gonna think now, figure class summertime. Cause you not get no bookings, brother, that is the only reason. You lock up in your house now, nothing to do. Yeah. Summertime, Terry even dub me for the man when a summertime, man, you know that, man.
Well, this year I'm book out and thing.
Yeah, a summertime.
People, the full review is about 40 minutes or 43 minutes, somewhere there. You can head on over to Terradan page, YouTube page, to listen to the full review. I'm not telling a lie. It's a very, very interesting review. And as I said before, coming from a young artist, coming from Jahshii. Remember when Jahshii do the interview, everybody I look upon him as an idiot, as a fool. But Tom drunk, Tom never fool. And the people them did for just take sense out of nonsense. You see me? And listen what he must say. I'm not telling a lie, Jahshii. You sound like a very, very, very mature artist. Me can't wait to see all of this unfold and see if you can really walk the walk like how you talk the talk. It's your boy DJ Chaddy. Don't forget to check me out on Instagram at I am DJ Chaddy. So that's at I am DJ CHADDY. Don't forget to leave a like on this video and comment in the comment section and let me know what you think about these topics we discussed today. It's your boy DJ Chaddy, and guess what? One way and any other way or the wrong way. My God.